Hey guys, Dan the Man here again, and I have another unboxing for you guys. Here I have the H150 RGB Performance 360 millimeter liquid cooler by Corsair. And as you guys know, Corsair makes great stuff. I'm a fan of their products, about their power supply, their RAM, and many other things from Corsair. I love Corsair. Some people don't, but I do. Anyways, so super chilled and all that other stuff it says in there. Let's turn this around. As you can see, the box is still sealed. It hasn't been even opened. So let's have this thing like this. It shows the radiator, it shows the metal plate in there, and the RGB and a little bit of other stuff in there. This has, I believe, the 13700, or it's ready for Intel's um, um, 12 and 13 generation already. It's got the bracket in there and the back plate and all the things you need to install for your build. So I would need to cut this seal right there. Okay, I got it almost. Yes, I've got it. So this is LGA 7000, 1700 or 1700 ready kind of a build. Okay, opened it all the way. We get a thing to scan. It's a scan for product manual. Why couldn't you include it? Not that I'm gonna read it or I'm gonna need it, but some people may need it. And it says safety and warranty guide or things like that. Let's open this thing. Wow, sorry about that. We got a bunch of cables here, like fan multipliers, RGB multipliers, and the I believe we have the AMD bracket and also the Intel bracket. But let's just check it there. Let's see what we got in there. This doesn't say what this is really for, but this is Intel, I believe, Intel brackets. I have an Intel motherboard right here. Let me actually check if it fits the motherboard. It doesn't really fit my motherboard, but let's just see if it can. Okay, it does, I guess. Yes. No, it doesn't. This one doesn't fit my motherboard. Okay, let's see if there's another bracket. Oh yeah, there is. I believe that's AM5 probably. Doesn't say it on the box. Oh, okay, it says LGA 2011. Okay, that's the old bracket. Let's see. Let's have a look at it. This should fit the motherboard beautifully. And indeed it does. It does fit it. You can see the screws there and the back. I put it there. Perfect. Fantastic. I'll put the motherboard back there. So this is the one I'll be using. Probably will be using those. Doesn't have AM5 platform. Beautiful, nice 120 ml RGB fans. There's like 3 of them, as you can see. I'm gonna take them out of their plastic bag later in a bit for you guys so you can see how it looks. This is supposed to be a quiet kind of a thing, and I'm glad they went with this style of fan. I'm gonna put the bracket there and the other things. So these are pretty nice big size fans, you know. There's like 3 of them, and let's take this thing out. It's a beast from the east. Wow. I'm trying to take this thing out of its box. This thing's massive and it's heavy, but it can fit inside my small form factor PC. Okay, fantastic. It's got pre-applied thermal paste, I believe. Yes, it's got it right there, so I don't need to apply that unless you want to. You can apply your own and wipe that thing off. I'm gonna put it back. Okay, That is the pump and for the fan. No, sorry, not the fan, the RGB. Okay, gonna take this off, having a look at the radiator. Hopefully it's not a damaged radiator. And in fact, it's not. I bought a Cooler Master before. Like, all these radiator things were bent before. This thing looks just really good. And it's really big. Let's put the fans there, imagining we're building it now. So that is how it would look, you know? It's a beautiful one. It's got RGBs in there. And the good thing is, whichever you're gonna build put this thing, the pump, you can always take this out, turn it, so your cooler doesn't seem like it's upside down. It's that simple. This thing's quite long, and that's gonna be beneficial for you building. So this is gonna be good for, I would say, i7 1200K, 1300K, or let's say 13900K, the Intel i9 12 gen and 13 gen, or AM5 AMD high-end CPUs. This is gonna cool it just fine. But you might be surprised that I would actually use this killer cooler. It's overkill with an F series that already comes with a fan. You may call me crazy, but yeah, that's what it is. It's a great cooler. It looks great. It's a fantastic one. And I'm going to be using this in a build. I'm going to link it down this video, below this video, so you can actually go ahead and watch it later. Thank you so much for watching. If this was helpful, you guys may go ahead and actually subscribe to my channel and press the thanks button and donate to my channel if you would like to. Anyways, see you guys later. Bye-bye.